So we have divergence this morning. Right here. So what I'm looking for, once I find divergence, what I'm looking for is a channel. Yep, so we have the break. I want this to come down here. So right now what I'm trying to do, the reason why I moved it is because I'm trying to find the, where the channel structure per se, right? Because eventually what we're going to see is we're going to see little spikes out of it, right? You could kind of call it the Wyckoff method, right? Wyckoff, I don't know how people pronounce it, but we're going to have this that tricks people into thinking that they're going long, and then it comes down and it stomps them out, right? And then what's happening is, if, for example, if we're thinking we're going long, right, that would be called accumulation, right? Where it's starting to accumulate shares, right? Because ultimately, market makers, they buy at the bottom and sell at the high, right? So now sometimes we'll have where it completely breaks out of the channel. That means that not a lot of people are releasing their shares or making shares available and adding to the market volume. So it'll break the structure and go find another one. Really, I think it's here. I think that's the channel. There we go, we broke out. I want to see it take this and then come down, and then that will be our entry. I want it to break that high and then come down. That's what I want. All right, guys, I'm gonna go one long in just a bit. There, and I'm gonna add another one if it comes down to the 480. It's off. Perfect. All right, we're in 2 contracts here. We're gonna watch it closely. If it goes down below, let's say 472-ish, that's gonna be our stop. There we go. I'm looking for a nice recovery though. Kind of a swift one, right? To kind of confirm, otherwise we'll take a small loss. Now we're green. We'll take the 670. We have divergence. Where are we here? Right? This one's going up, this one's going down, right? Because we made a lower high, but a higher high in our side. So we gotta be careful. Yeah, I'm thinking longs. I'm gonna go on long. Just one. We're already halfway to our goal, so no need to get another put 2 contracts or anything. We're just gonna go one. There we go. That's what I like. That's what I like. That's what I like. Ooh, look at that news. It's all right. I think we lost what we had made. Yeah, we lost what we had made. It's all right. All right, I'm gonna have a buy here and a stop right under the low. Oh, yeah, took me out. It's okay. I think we have what we're looking for though in a reversal. All right, are we back to break even? Not exactly, $35. Just trying to go validate that high over there. You know, one of the things that about this channel is that my regular income has definitely taken a little bit of a ding for doing these live stream videos, because now I have to trade my live accounts kind of in the afternoon session, which is not exactly what I like to do. I like to get my trading in the morning. I feel like in the morning it's when we tend to, you know, have those trends or those rips that can be very very helpful, especially for us micro scalpers. So but my goal is to kind of build this channel up and build a community. You know, I've been kind of trading on my own for several years now, and I'm like, you know what, I think I would like to trade, but, you know, have other people come along with me. So that's why I started this channel. Thankfully, I've still been able to make enough profit in my live accounts, you know, to keep us going way more than what we need, really. But it's definitely slightly lower than what I usually get. But it's all right. I like sharing kind of what I know, which is honestly very little. But hopefully there could be other people that can come along and also share their philosophy. All right, so it's I had literally a 1 hour call for work. It's a call that I just had to listen to, right? I didn't really have to participate, so that's why I was trading. But we hit goal. Oh wow, look at this bounce. I'm so glad I sold right at the bottom. So we hit goal, kind of scraping through it though. It's so hard because when I trade live with my live accounts, man, I play 4 or 5 contracts and I can get there in 10 minutes. I mean, there's been times where the market opens and I am done within 10 minutes, where you have beginners that are coming to YouTube trying to learn things, and if you're showing them, you know, they're using 5 or 6 contracts, especially mini ones, it just sets them up to fail, you know. So I'm trying to teach, you know, how can you be profitable with just 1, maybe 2 contracts, right? Maybe when the confidence level is really high, at the most 3, but trying to just play 1 to 2 contracts, right? And that's why, I mean, it's 11:58. I mean, the market's been open for 2.5 hours. Too long for me. I want to get trading done within half an hour, you know, at the most. So, but hey, I can't complain. I really like that we hit our goal. As far as the auto liquidate, so my peak balance, which is the highest, right, is 153,723, and that's exactly my account balance. So we have the entire $5,000 in drawdown at the moment. All right, so there we go. Account balance, peak balance, right? So we have the entire $5,000 in drawdown, which is valuable when you're playing an evaluation, right? So there we go, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and look forward to tomorrow's live stream. Have a good one, everyone.